Well, good evening. Welcome to another video. First of all, I'd like to thank everybody who supported us through all the crappy drama that's going on. So thank you very, very much. But anyway, never mind that. Let's go on to more pressing matters. Hello, Richard.
Hello. You alright?
I'm alright. We have got a 2021 Boxer, which we are well on with at the moment. And behind me here, we've got a brand spanker 24 plate with delivery mileage only, which again, we are well on with. Insulated, sound deadened. Best thing about this one, didn't need cleaning. Floor all insulated, all battened, framed out at the backs, all cabled, all ready to go. DC to DC, all in, cabled, ready to go. Diesel litre inlet to the main fuel tank, all ready to go on that one. So we're flying on here. Today we just had the skylight and max fan and windows all delivered, and the underslung tanks all delivered on that. Hey, have you seen that? New CNC. Woohoo! New wood store. But then in this one, where are we up to in here then? Floor all done, taped. Again, all usual standard cabling run. We've got GR, Ginger Rembrandt, and Rick just doing the ceiling on here. Might have to get a step up or something so they can rub it out, because they're both tiny. Do you want to say hello to the subscribers, Sam?
Hello, subscribers. All three.
So yeah, cracking on with this one, we've got the max fan in and the 700 by 500 Sky Max in at the back, with the lights integrated into the blackout blind. All framed out. Sorry if you heard any bad language. All framed out on the motorhome style flush fitting windows. They're 900 by 450s, they are lovely. We've also, on this one, added CCTV brackets, because it's having a full CCTV system on both sides there and the rear. What's next on this after ceiling, Rick? Cladding and then onto a bit of furniture building.
Furniture and everything, yeah. Well, ceiling next. After, the slabs.
Yeah.
Do the end panel for
the
that.
Front panel.
Yeah. Have you shown them these?
Oh no, I haven't shown them that. Take a look at. You show them. No, come on. I won't go
This is
that.
what happens. Does that light have to be on?
Yeah, because we haven't got much light.
This is what happens when you watch too much Facebook. You see someone else do these, so they're taking no credit for them, but take them off.
Rather than that.
Take that off. It's better from the other side, really.
Let me see from up. So rather than it just being the plastic like everybody leaves them, we left them as well, didn't we? Yeah. But when we saw,
it's a bit more faff, but it looks nicer, doesn't it? Especially from this side. I mean, like I said, there's a thing to go on here, yeah? So all this gets covered, everything that you've done on here, but it looks nice when that's finished. This would have some black marks on anyway, didn't it?
Yeah, this one's a 2021, is it?
Yeah. Just covers them.
It doesn't half just finish it off.
It's
just that little bit extra in it, and it just finishes it off lovely. The transformation between the cab and outside. All carpeted now, and now you can see the skylight and the max fan. These big ones at back are lovely. Look at that. 700 by 500 Sky Max can go all the way up like that. I mean, I wouldn't be telling customers to climb out of it, would you, Rick?
No.